How to cancel Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to cancel Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Firstly, open web browser and navigate to amazon.com. Then you will land on the official homepage of Amazon. Make sure to log into your Amazon account. Then click on Accounts and List at top right corner of the screen. A menu box will appear on the screen. Click on Memberships and Subscriptions. Once you open it, you will get access to this memberships and subscription page where you will see a list of the subscription and membership associated with your Amazon account. Since I don't have any, if you have any, then among the list locate Amazon Music Unlimited in the list and click Cancel Subscription at right hand side of the screen. Then find your current membership and then click Continue to cancel. The next screen will ask you are sure you want to confirm canceling your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Then click Confirm Cancellation at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a note at the top of the next screen confirming that you have cancelled your Amazon Music Unlimited subscriptions. So in this way, you can easily cancel Amazon Music Unlimited subscriptions. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.